Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your iPad is updated, because Memoji features depend on current iPad OS. Once done, open Messages and pick a conversation or create a new one. You're not searching for settings? Tap the app drawer next to the text field, then choose the Memoji stickers or Animoji icon. This puts the Memoji tools in front of you so you can create or select a Memoji immediately. Make sure Face ID or camera access is enabled if prompted. You'll create or edit a Memoji by tapping the plus sign to add one or choosing an existing Memoji to modify. As you work, pick skin tone, hairstyle, eyes, headwear, and accessories. Swipe through categories to adjust every detail. Use the front camera preview so you can see expressions and adjust proportions for a natural match. Once you finish, tap Done. This saves your Memoji to the sticker pack and Animoji list for immediate use in Messages and compatible apps. You'll use your Memoji by tapping a sticker to insert it into the message field, or record an Animoji message by holding the record button, then send. You can also set a Memoji as a contact photo or use it in FaceTime and supported apps. If facial tracking doesn't work, make sure camera access is allowed, then restart the iPad and check for software updates. If problems persist, remove and recreate the Memoji. That fixes corrupted profiles most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.